Milo, you're a fly on the wall. Look at you. You look like a fly on the wall. Whee! Now you're upside down. Whee! Whee! Alright. Ooh, whose head is that? That is Surly's head. Good girl, Surly. You want to eat bird? Good girl, Surly. Want some marshmallows? Sure. Milo. Oh, 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 oh. Where are you going? Bye. Don't eat those plants, pets. They're toxic. Marshmallows are not, though. Sit. Milo. Look what I got for you, Milo. Look at Milo. It's a marshmallow. Milo. You can eat it. It's a marshmallow. You're like an acrobat, Milo. Dun, 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 dun. Sit, Surly. I don't know. I don't think you will. He can see from every angle. Spin him faster. Ah! He says no. Milo, here's a marshmallow. Can you catch it in your mouth if I throw it at you? Milo. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You caught it in your mouth. Oh, now you're flying away with it. I like marshmallows too, Surly. So does Milo. Oh, get your nose out of there. You know what I was thinking? We should put a diffuser on that so it dries them better.
What?
A diffuser?